Hi guys, we are in IKEA store. Yeah, that's all. Welcome all to this vlog.
Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube vlog in IKEA. We have two friends with us. One is Namrata Shah, one is Nivedita. Come, see you inside. Come guys, enjoy IKEA with us. Yeah, we will show you what are the new collection for Christmas. How much everyone is saying IKEA is having some sale. We will discuss about the sale also. We will discuss about their products also. Let's see. It's our first time experience. We are sharing it with you guys. Let's see. Bye guys. We are in IKEA. Now we are in kids section. We are seeing all those kids rooms and things. Come. See this. What does that mean? This is soft, spongy, springy. I like it. And to come to this store, we need to have a boyfriend or husband who is rich enough, who can afford all these things, who will help us to buy all these things, and who will make you, give you cash.
Go
Just
baby,
cash.
enjoy.
Yeah.
Spend this money, buy something was as if you whatever
Yeah.
you want.
Yeah. Get one. See my kid, go sleep there. That's fine. You have to sleep, beta. Come on, you sleep there. Come, beta. I got this expensive bed for you. This bed, you know how much it cost?
How much?
9,990. I
my
got
God.
this for this kid.
Oh my
And
God.
spoiled brat don't want to sleep in this.
No, he don't want you. Who are you? You want that? Or this?
This is cute. This is me.
Huh?
This is me. Get me this. Mommy, get me this. Mommy, get me.
Oh my God. He'll be coming now.
Should I get this elephant, a tiger? Tiger! I'm the tiger. How much it is?
Do you want anything to eat?
Yeah, I want, but my sugar daddy is not available right now, so
Oh, you
can't
are
get.
going to gym, right? So you can't eat all these things.
What?
You-
Can't
you-
hear.
Here all are eating and,
And we
like
are so
tempting.
hungry by seeing their food.
Yeah.
So yummy.
She's looking to all everyone's plate,
I
and
just
they are
want
looking
them
at what this
I
girl
just
is
want
doing.
them have stomach problems tomorrow morning. That's why I'm just looking into everyone's plate.
Guys, we have here some varieties of tissues, black
Yeah,
and white tissues, zebra tissues.
To clean your dirt, the mess you create.
Yeah.
To clean that.
We
Use
have this red tissue.
This is
have
not red. This is
purple tissue.
mauve.
We have again
Red
Christmas
and
special.
Christmas special
Christmas special.
to clean your dirt. The
Yeah.
mess you create.
Yeah. So many other holy
Shit.
shallow.
Holy shit.
You want that? Will your husband allow you to buy all these things?
I don't have one. Looking for one. Anyone available? Please contact me.
Subscribe here.
Please do subscribe here
And
and
comment.
comment and tell Ashmi that you want to meet me. She will
So
give
we
you
will
my
go
number.
for a date.
Yeah, she will give you my number. We can meet very soon.
Guys, this is the place where we can hide.
Yeah. Let's play hide and seek.
Yeah, go inside.
Come, let's play hide and seek.
Oh, Namu, where are you, Namu? Namu, you are missing, Namu. Namu. Oh, Namu, you are here, Namu. Oh, I got you, Namu. Where are you? Namu's legs are dead, guys. She's trying to run. Yes, now Nivi is going to hide. Go, Nivi. Nivi, come on. Come on. Come on, Nivi. Nivi. Nivi's making some attitude.
Yeah.
Nivi, come on.
Then do something.
Which one?
Nivi, what is that?
You know what this is for?
This is for?
This is for. You need to keep it behind your head.
Acha.
Then you can sleep.
Yeah, like this. Wait. Like this.
Yeah.
So good. Hard, man. Very hard. Very
What?
For privacy purpose in the ghar mein bhi they use these things. Like while doing
It's
something.
only for 100 rupees.
Yeah, something is stupid here. Like,
No,
what
you need to sit in this.
is this much? Who will fit in this much? Nivi can fit in this much.
Why? What you're doing, Nabil?
Making it dirty.
It's so white.
So
It's
much
make
white.
us so uncomfortable.
Yeah.
So we are trying to make it dirt.
Let's put a kiss. And it will be like.
Yeah, kiss it. So that your lips.
We are hiding 2K here somewhere.
Somewhere in IKEA.
Yeah. Come, it's in Bangalore, okay? Come here, get the money and buy something for yourself and tell us in the comment section.
Comment below.
Bye bye. Namaskar.
What you're trying to do?
I want to open it like that.
Simple.
How? No, I tried. No, nothing happened. Why? Don't break it.
Why it's not opening?
But this is nice. Dear future husband, please get me one of these. I need it.
Finally we found it how to operate this. Oh wow! What's there inside?
Lights like that.
So many lights.
How to close it?
Oh, simple. Now move. You're just wonderful, awesome. Wow. What do you want?
This.
Oh, only 2,500 rupees. We found something very interesting. When we turn it, it will switch it off.
You can adjust the light by this. So cute, na? It's like a vintage that thing. Adi vintage lamp used to there na before people used to use villages when there is no electricity. Those are like that.
What happened? You want this?
This is for 100 rupees only.
Take one. What
Planning.
stops you to take?
But Christmas is not always available, no?
But that doesn't look like Christmas tree.
Yeah, it does. See, it's not good also. The quality is not good.
Not that bad. It's like corner.
Yeah, but
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. This lady took like this 4 pencils from them. Look how she's going as if she don't know anything.
I don't know anything.
Yeah, she's on a call. That's why she don't know anything. Where is those pencils?
What?
Where are those pencils?
What pencil is in your hand only? I don't have any
Put it
pencil.
inside. This is very huge. Very huge. Look. Height with Nammo's height so that you can understand easily. Look, she's only up to that first try. Only yeah. Like this we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, seriously? So huge. It won't break. Come now, let's try from that side. Just go. Just go.
Guys, we have entered our trip to IKEA.
Ground floor, Nelamahari.
Now we are going to Mall of Asia because some kind of Christmas fair is happening there.
Going up.
Guys, finally we reached to Mall of Asia.
After 2 hours.
Yeah.
After 2
traffic.
hours of struggle.
Mall of Asia. Oh, you're making video shit.
Light up your face with the parade. Since you love me, this time of year, I stop in the place. This be the time. Get to see Christmas tree, drinking red wine all week. Yeah, Christmas.
Very good. Now food time. Very hungry. Very hungry.
Guys, we were so hungry, so we just came, sit, have our food. How's it?
After hours of struggle, finally.
We ordered something paneer. We both are sharing Alfam biryani. It's nice. It's from that shop. It's very crowded.
So bad.
From here you need to take. Not the skin. Not the skin.
Got something. You should take like this. You should put it in the mouth.
So guys, finally we are leaving from Mall of Asia. Look what she's doing. She don't want to come in vlog. That's all guys. What do you want to tell ma'am? To our subscribers. To our dear
Please
subscribers.
subscribe our channel, like our videos so that we can afford these big brand watch. I want to
Subscribe, like, share. Arr.